Good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to study a new chapter, subtraction. So, we are going to study subtraction. In our previous classes, we have already studied about the subtraction of two digit numbers. But in this class, we are going to start with the subtraction of three digit numbers without decomposition. Let us understand it with an example. We have to subtract 235 from 689, and also we have to write the number sentence. So we will solve it stepwise. In our first step, we will arrange these two numbers in hundreds, tens, and ones format according to their place value. The bigger number will be written first and the smaller number will be written below. First of all, start with ones place. So 9 minus 5 will give 4. In second step, we will subtract tens place only. Already we have subtracted 9 minus 5, that we have already got it at 4, and in this step 8 minus 3 will give you 5. Now we will move towards the third step, that is we are going to subtract the hundreds place, but already we have got two result, that is 9 minus 5 is 4 and 8 minus 3 is 5. But in this step we are going to subtract 6 minus 2, that is 4. That means in first step we have subtracted ones place, in second step we have subtracted tens place, and third step we have subtracted hundreds place. So what the result we are getting? So when 689 is subtracts 235, we will get 4. Here it is 5, here it is 4. 454. So what is the number sentence? So the number sentence means the larger value will be written first minus the smaller one. So it is written in this format and the result is 454. So we can say when 235 is subtracted from 689, we will get 454. One important point, the result obtained after subtraction is called the difference. This is the result. 454 is the result that we are getting on subtracting 235 from 689. So this result, this is 454, is also called as the difference. So on subtracting 235 from 689, we get 454 as difference. Let us understand it with some more examples. Here we have 3 examples. We are going to solve these questions. So here's 896 and this is 524. So starting with ones place, that is 6 minus 4, we will get 2. 9 minus 2 will give 7. 8 minus 5 will give 3. So when 524 is subtracted from 896, we get 372. Again, starting with the ones place, 3 is subtracted from 8, we will get 5. When 2 is subtracted from 5, we will get 3. And when 1 is subtracted from 3, we will get 2. So in 123 is subtracted from 358, the difference is 235. One more example, starting with the ones place, 9 minus 7 will give 2. 7 minus 6 will give 1, and 8 minus 5 will give 3. So when 567 subtracted from 879, the difference is 312.